Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Adobe XD for UI design. First, open Adobe XD and select a new artboard size, like Web 1920 for desktop or iPhone 13 for mobile. This sets up your canvas for design. Next, familiarize yourself with the main workspace, including the Tools panel on the left and the Properties Inspector on the right. Understanding these basic elements is crucial for an efficient start to your design journey. Once your project is open, you'll want to set up your artboards. You can add new artboards by clicking the Artboard tool and drawing on the canvas, or by selecting a preset size from the Properties panel. For example, you might use 3 artboards for a simple mobile app: a login screen, a home screen, and a profile page. This organization helps maintain a clear flow and structure for your user interface project. Now, let's dive into designing your UI elements. Use the rectangle, ellipse, and line tools to draw basic shapes. You can easily adjust their size, color, and border radius in the Properties Inspector. For text, select the Text tool and type your content, then choose your font, size, and color. Remember to create components from frequently used elements, like buttons or navigation bars, to ensure consistency and save time. Finally, it's time to bring your design to life with prototyping. Switch to the Prototype tab, then drag connection arrows between artboards to define user interactions, such as tapping a button to navigate to a new screen. You can set transitions like slide left or dissolve with a duration of 0.3 seconds. Share your prototype by generating a shareable link, allowing others to view and comment on your interactive design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.